Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about conditional statements, also known as else-if statements in C. Okay, so let's get started. Conditional statements are used for handling decisions. For example, if you're asking the user for a specific input and want to give a specific output based on what the user enters, then you use conditional statements. Okay, so for this program, I'm going to write a conditional statement to check whether a number is even or odd. Okay, so first let's declare our variable. It's num, and let's do um, enter a number, and now let's do a scanf %d ampersand num, and then now what I'm going to do is type num equals num modulus 2. So this is a new statement that I haven't covered in my course yet. So what it basically means is that this is called right here, this is called the modulus operator. And what it does is that it calculates the remainder of a division operator between two numbers. Okay, so this is what we need to do in this case, to modulus 2. Okay, and now I'm going to type if num is bigger than 0, then we know that the number is even. Okay, so for if statements, you have two options. If you're only writing one statement for the if statements, such as this one, you can leave it like this. Like you can have if num is bigger than 0, print f odd. Okay, you can do that. However, what I usually do is that I add these brackets. In my opinion, they help with organizing the code better. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to say puts odd. Okay, then I'm going to say else, which means and whatever other number we get. Okay, whatever other number we get, we are going to say that it's even. Okay, so that's a basic program to check whether a number is even or odd. Okay, so let's save this file and compile it. Okay, GCC. Just going to say else. Okay, else. Enter a number. I'm going to type 3. It says it's odd. Let's run the program again. Let's type 4. It says it's even. Let's do another number, 5. It says it's odd. 6, which is even, and it says it's even. So the program is working. Now, I am going to show you another way you can do this particular program. Okay, let's go back to the file. And we are going to be using a ternary operator this time. Okay, so the ternary operator may look confusing at first, but it's really easy. Okay, so all you need to do is type print f %d is %s, then type num, and num is bigger than 0, then have a question mark right here, and then type odd, and a semicolon, and then type even. Okay, now let's do put char, then a new line. Okay, so this should work. Let's go ahead and compile it again and run it. Okay, let's enter number 2. 2 is even. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Um, Here, if we want to make sure that it doesn't say 0 is, um, you know, odd, if you want to say the exact thing that we entered, we need to make some changes. So I'm going to type a new integer named check. Okay, and then do check equals num modulus 2, and then here change num to check. Okay, let's save the file, compile it, and run it. Okay, let's enter number 2. It says 2 is even. Let's run the program again. Let's enter 4. It says 4 is even. Now let's enter odd number. 3 is odd. Now let's run the program again and enter 5. 5 is odd. Okay, so that's basically it, everyone, for conditional statements and ternary statements in C. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.